Hello and welcome to today's video tutorial on how to enable your camera and microphone permissions in Pencil Spaces. So if you go into your Pencil Space for the first time and you notice that you try and start your video, you might receive this error asking you to grant camera access. When you try to change your audio and video settings, you may also receive this error telling you that your camera and microphone permissions are disabled. The first thing that you can do is navigate to the place where your URL is. I'm going to be demonstrating this in Chrome. Simply navigate to the little lock icon. When you hover your mouse over it, it should say View Site Information. Click on the lock icon, and you may notice that your camera and your microphone is disabled. Make sure that this is turned on, and when you close this, you might get a pop-up to reload the page. Click that pop-up, but if you don't receive the pop-up, simply click Command or Control, Shift, and R on your keyboard at the same time. That way the page reloads. Now you can test whether or not your video works. You can unmute your microphone, or simply, and then you'll see the device settings pop up. So this shows you that everything is working as needed. You can easily turn off your microphone or video from this panel and choose which device you want enabled. Just confirm your options and everything will work as needed. Now, if this still didn't work, what you can do is you can check your settings in Chrome. So go to the three dots at the top of your Chrome bar, where it should say Customize and Control Google Chrome. Then click on Settings, and this will open up a new tab. Click on Security and Privacy and navigate to Site Settings. Then go into the Permissions section and click on Camera. Make sure that where it says Default Behavior, it says Sites can ask to use your camera. If you have Don't Allow Sites to use your camera enabled, so if you don't allow Chrome to use your camera, then it still won't work, even if you have your permissions enabled in Pencil itself. So make sure that this is enabled, and then check the same thing for your microphone. Make sure that it says Sites can ask to use your microphone. Then, once you enable this in your Chrome settings, go back into your Pencil Spaces tab and refresh the page again. Double check that your permissions are correct. I'm just going to turn this on and off just to make sure, and I'll reload the page. From there, the issue should be resolved. You should be able to start your video and the device settings will pop up. But if it still does not work, please reach out to our team and we will try our best to troubleshoot the problem with you. Thank you for watching this tutorial and let us know if you have any other questions.